Hi guys and gals, Dennis Brown here for Solacure, and I'm going to demo how to assemble the mini fixture. We have a 4-foot mini fixture and we have a 2-foot mini fixture, and they're basically the same except for the length, but the way that they put together is, exactly the same thing. Probably the easiest fixture we have to assemble, but a lot of people still ask, and so I thought we would just make a video. Right here, you'll see the power, where the power comes in. We add this. You just can't get fixtures with the cords in them anymore, so we have to actually buy them and then assemble them. Right here, you see the Solacure label. If you look right there, you'll see this is a lid. This is a cap that goes on there. You're going to see one, there it is, two, and I'll give a close-up on this one. 3 of those little tabs. Those are keepers, and that's what kind of holds it, completely assembled. What you're going to do is you're going to press right next to it, and then it'll pop up. Then go down to the middle one, press on it, pop up. Then go down to this bottom one, press it, and then pop up. Then the whole little pop up. The 2-foot version is basically the same. I believe it has just 2 of these instead of 6. This has 3 on this side and 3 on the other side, and that's what kind of keeps it in place. The inside of your fixture is going to look pretty much like this, a bunch of wire. Instruction. You can take those out and do whatever you want with it. Some of them will have wire caps, some of them won't. Most of the time we usually just take them out. We don't use wire caps for all of our connections. Most of the time, there are exceptions, we use actual wire joints, which I just like them better. All you're going to be doing is right here towards the end is the lamp holder. Near the cord is a little bit trickier. You're going to move that cord out of the way. So I told you it was tricky. You're going to move that cord out of the way, and you're going to fight with it, I guess. It's hard for me to do it in the air where you can see it. There we go. The cord is a little bit in the way. There's no other place we can put it. The hole's there. So you may have to take this and bend this in just a little bit, just to give it a little bit of room, and then it'll pop through. Once you get that through, like I said, that's the hard one. Once you get that through, you're just going to click it into place. See? So there you go. That's clicked there. On the other end, you're going to take, and that's a wire cap. If you notice, it's just dead-ended. For people wanting to run double power, you can run a wire from here to this lamp end, and you go from 20 real watts to 40 real watts. For most applications, you're not going to do that. And but all the fixtures that we have are set up to do that if you want. If you notice, that one popped in a lot easier. And see, you hear it click. There you go. Now, we wrestle with the wires a little bit to get them back in the middle. And I'll show it to you here in just a second. Then we're going to take this, and we're just going to get it lined up. See all these wires wanting to jump out? You're going to line it up. You can see the hole is right above the tab. You'll line that up on one side, and then you're going to start clicking it. There, there, there. It's easier to do if it's sitting on a table. In the air is a little more difficult. But that's it. I mean, that's literally it. We actually get them in with them extended. We push them back into there. And the reason we do that is because of shipping. If I ship it with it like this and something bumps it or hits it, then it's liable to get broken. So generally speaking, we put these inside the fixture to protect them and to make sure that when you get it, it's in one piece. So as you can see, it's not difficult. There's nothing to be afraid of. It's not a big deal to put them that way. If you have any more questions, just give us a yell. But and I'll remind you one last time, this is not our standard fixture. This is the mini fixture, the F32 and F17 mini fixture, and that's how you do it. If this doesn't look like your fixture, check around. We have some other videos as well. Thanks now.